Welcome to the Moxy movement, darling. I'm so excited to share with you some information about twisted grips and to get your shoulders strong and ready to incorporate this grip into your pull practice. The first thing we're going to talk about is how to engage that shoulder properly in that twisted grip. Taking our arms out to the side, we really want to feel this by taking those shoulders forward and down, and then by taking those shoulders back as we roll those palms up and back. We want to think about this anchoring here. The shoulders are pulling down, the neck is long. We want to avoid this at all costs and take it into this nice engaged open chest variation. A good way to feel that is just let yourself stand and really rotate through, focusing on those palms up and shoulders down at the end. Take about 30 to 40 reps of those shoulders are gonna be feeling nice and strong. Our next step in this is to get the stability in our shoulders as well as our alignment. I'm gonna start by taking this arm down, palm down, index finger down, gently wrapping those other fingers. I'm going to allow a soft elbow. Notice I'm not hyperextending. Soft elbow, pulling that shoulder down, pushing into this bottom arm so much that now I have an open chest towards the sky. This is going to allow me to take my other arm, palm down, thumb down, into my twisted grip. Stabilizing here by letting myself slide both hands, walk those feet out, and come into a plank position. This is going to really help me get that stability. From here, I can start trying to lift my feet and do little hovers. And I can also practice my fairy walks by coming up higher, opening that chest, and seeing if I can hold my body out to the side, if even just for a moment. Keeping those shoulders nice and stable, that chest open towards the sky. So another variation to help us into this is by taking this bottom arm down, thumb down, palm away, opening up into the torso this way, connecting my shoulders, and now I can do my baby ballerina spin, keeping my shoulders nice and stable and engaged. Let's try some twisted grip deadlift drills. I can do this from a stand or the floor. I think it's a little bit easier lower to the floor to start. I'm going to take that palm out, stabilize through that bottom arm, drop it down, come on top of that arm. I'm going to take my outside leg forward. I take my outside arm, thumb down, into that twisted grip. Chest is open towards the sky, bottom arm pushes, and I'm going to practice pulling my bottom knee to my chest for that nice little lift. Eventually, taking it all the way upside down for my twisted grip. Give these a shot, get those shoulders strong and stable, and I can't wait to show you what comes next in our twisted grip series. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Just the Tips, and we wish you the best of luck on your movement journey, darling.